Hey everyone. Welcome back to another Tech Tips. If you're a parent like me, you know how quickly toys can pile up at home. Kids outgrow them, or sometimes they just lose interest after a while. Before you know it, you've got boxes of toys collecting dust. That's where the idea for a toy exchange app came from. So parents can easily share toys with others in the community, instead of letting them go unused. Some of you may have seen my earlier video, where I built this app in Google AppSheet. Today, I want to show you how I've recreated the same app in Glide. Functionally, it's very similar. But the way Glide works is a little different. And I think you'll enjoy seeing how this platform handles it. Let's start right from the beginning, the login. When a user enters their email, the app sends them a PIN code to verify. If they're already registered and approved, they can enter the PIN and go straight into the app. But if it's their first time and they're not yet registered, they won't get in immediately. Instead, their access request goes to the app's admin. Once the admin approves their email, they can then log in with the PIN and start using the app. To make everything clear, I'll be showing you this demo with two parents logged in at the same time. On the left, we have parent A. And on the right, parent B. This way, you can see exactly how the toy exchange works from both sides. Let's start with parent A. In the My Toy Profile tab, parent A can register toys they want to share. They can add new toys, edit, or delete them later. All of parent A's toys, no matter their status, available, reserved, or exchanged, will show up here. Now let's switch over to parent B. In the available toy list, parent B can see toys from other users, including parent A's toys. Notice that parent B doesn't see their own toys here, only what others have listed. From here, parent B can choose a toy and click Request Exchange. As soon as parent B sends a request, parent A gets notified in the My Toys Requested by Others tab. Here, parent A can review requests and either approve or decline. If parent A approves the request, the toy's status automatically changes to reserved. This prevents anyone else from requesting it. Meanwhile, parent B can check their own request in the My Request tab. Once parent A approves, parent B sees the status update to approved. After receiving the toy, parent B can then mark the request as completed. And the toy status changes to exchanged. Both parent A and parent B also have a profile section, where they can edit their personal details so other users know who they're exchanging with. So that's version 1 of the Toy Exchange app in Glide, with a secure login that requires admin approval for new users, and 4 main sections: My Toy Profile, Available Toy List, Be My Toys Requested by Others, and My Request. Together, these make it easy to list toys, request exchanges, approve or decline, and complete the process. In the next video, I'll take you step by step through how to build this app from scratch in Glide, so you can make your own version for your community. If you enjoyed this demo, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tutorials. Let's keep toys moving, and kids smiling. See you in the next video. Bye.